This video shows how to bulk edit courses using the Courses tool. Bulk update course starts and end dates, as well as the course's active or inactive status, without needing to switch to a separate tool. To perform bulk updates, assign the following permissions: manage courses change status and manage courses change start and end. Here are a few key points about using bulk update for course status and dates. Unlimited number of courses. Use this feature only in systems where course dates and statuses are not managed by an external system like a Student Information System (SIS), as SIS managed courses may revert after bulk updates. Contact your D2L account manager for guidance. Avoid using Course Updater in environments where instructors manage course settings individually, as bulk updates can overwrite their changes and cause confusion. To perform bulk updates to course status, navigate to Admin Tools, then go to Courses. Select more than one course to edit. Click Edit Status. Under Status, select Active to make all selected courses active in your instance. You can also select Inactive. Click Save. Perform bulk updates to course start and end dates. With more than one course selected, click Edit Dates. Under Course Start Date or Course End Date, choose Update by Date to set a specific date. You can also choose Update by Offset. Choose to offset course start and end dates either forward or backward. Now you know how to bulk update course dates and statuses. Thank you for watching.